be 24 meter and 10 meter respectively. Find the length of its hypotenuse. Suppose this is your triangular park and you have to find hypotenuse. That means that one of the side is given to be 24 meter and second is given as to be 10 meter. You have to find third side. How will you find? You know that in right angle triangle, we have, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now perpendicular is given to be 24 and base is given to be 10. Square of 24 is 576 and square of 10 is 100. It will be equal to 676. Now find the square root of 676. We get 26 as the root. So hypotenuse is 26 meter. But dear students, see in question number 6 it is given Mohit travels 12 kilometers towards north and then some distance towards east. By doing so, he finds that he is at a distance of 15 kilometers from his initial position. Find the distance travelled by him towards east. You have to find the distance travelled by him towards east. Now how to solve this problem? Let us make a direction map. East, west, north, south. Now Mohit travels 12 kilometers. Suppose this is the initial position of Mohit. Let it be A. He moves 12 kilometers. Suppose this is 12 kilometers. Towards north. Then some distance towards east. Then he moved some distance towards east. Let it be B. He found that his distance from the initial position is 15 kilometers. Let it be C. Now you can see in this figure that this angle is 90 degrees. First of all, Mohit moves 12 kilometers towards north, then some distance towards east, and his distance from the initial position is 15 kilometers. That means that the difference between the final position and initial position is 15 kilometers. Now how to find out? I think looking at the figure you might have got the idea how to solve this question. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which AC is hypotenuse. Why? Because the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now hypotenuse is 15, perpendicular is 12. You have to find base. Square of 15, 2 to 5. Square of 12, 144. And you have to find base square. Base square will be equal to 2 to 5 minus 144. Find it out. It will be 81. Now base will be 9 kilometer. As the square root of 81 is 9. So base will be equal to 9 kilometer. BC is 9 kilometer. So the distance travelled by him towards east is equal to 9 kilometer. That solves our problem. In these type of questions, you have to make the diagram. If you make the diagram directly, then it is very easy. Why? Because you have to just use Pythagoras theorem in this problem. You have to find a rational number whose square is 729 upon 1849. So let the rational number be P by Q, because rational numbers are of the form P by Q. You can use X also over here, but I am using P by Q. According to question, square of P by Q is equal to 729 upon 1849, and P by Q will be equal to under the root 729 upon 1849. Now how to solve it? You have to find the roots of 729 and 1849. Now 2 2s are 4, 3 to 9, double of 2, 4. Now it will go on, 9 is there, so it will go on 7. 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 4s are 28, 32. 3 to 9. So we get the root of 729 as 27. Now we are supposed to find the root of 1849. Now 18. 18 is greater than the square of 4. 16. 2 will be left. 49. Now double of 4, 8. 9 is there, either 3 or 7. I will try for 3 because 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9. Yes, I get it. 249. So here 43 will come. 27 by 43 is our required rational number. So P by Q is equal to 27 by 43. This is our answer.